swing project, and in this video we're looking at variations for our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. In part 1, we looked at replacing our first step-step with a heel-heel, toe-toe variation. In this section, we're going to look at putting that same variation on our steps for 5 and 6. Let's recap our 8-count basic footwork, starting on the right foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, triple, step, step, triple, step, step, triple. You'll notice that when we get to the end of that first triple step, 3 and 4, our weight is on our right foot, which means that our left foot is free. This is normally where we pop in that step, step, 5, 6, but instead we're going to try this heel-heel, toe-toe variation. Now if we're practicing it, we need to start on our left foot this time to put it in for this and 5 and 6 moment in our footwork. Let's start with the left foot. Heel, heel, toe, toe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Let's try putting it in with our 8-count footwork. We'll do one basic and then try the variation. 5, 6, 5, 6, off we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, give it a try. Step, step, triple, heel, heel, toe, toe, triple. Step, step, triple, heel, heel, toe, toe, triple. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. This can be quite a tricky variation if you've never tried it before, but pop on some music and give it a go.